In this video, we'll look at how to label different types of road markings using a single command. Start by selecting the Label Markings command from the Kobi Signs Stripes ribbon. In the command line, you can see that labels are created using the current text style. Here, you can also define the preferred text size. We'll use a size of 4. Next, simply select the desired road marking elements in the drawing and place the labels next to them. The selected markings, including line markings, lane markings, area markings, and cross markings, are then labelled automatically with clear and consistent text. If needed, the label positions can be adjusted later using standard CAD commands such as move and rotate. That's all it takes to label road markings efficiently and consistently using Kobi Signs and Stripes.